welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Priya and today I'm here to tell you a DIY lip mask or lip scrub by which you can achieve the look of fuller, bigger and plumped lips. In fact, without even spending a lot of money. But make sure if you're seeing this face for the very first time, subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And yes, I think that's too much and we should get into the video. So you will be needing one plate or bowl and a spoon to mix the ingredients obviously. Up you will be needing some sugar, some honey, some coffee powder. This is totally optional but you can use this helps in lip lightening. And the main ingredient of this DIY lip scrub lip mask is this peppermint essential oil. This one is from Aroma Treasures but you can use whatever you have in your home. And this one I'm using since so long and it's really good. Now I've taken a very little sugar, just about half spoon. Then I'm adding some honey, not too much. Oh, this much is enough. Can you see it? Now I'm adding this much grounded coffee. Now I'm adding just 2 to 3 drops of this peppermint essential oil. So now I'm mixing all the ingredients very nicely, and I would like to tell you one thing: do not ever use essential oils by their own. They are not supposed to be used by their own. They need to be mixed either with some ingredients or with some carrier oil, because they are much more concentrated than regular oils. They are in very concentrated form. Okay, so they can harm you rather than doing good to your skin. So do not use essential oils by their own. Okay, now I can already feel like scent of fresh or clor mint, some mint comes. Now I'm taking a cotton pad and my Bioderma all time favorite micellar water to remove my lipstick, and then I'll show you the application. I took off my lipstick and now I'm going ahead with the application. You may feel some tickling sensation, so that is not a thing to worry about. That means peppermint oil is working on your lips. And do not eat it, okay? You can totally skip the coffee part if you don't like to apply coffee or coffee powder onto your lips, but I like, so I mixed it. And now I'm leaving this for 5 minutes. Then I will just wipe it off with cotton. I will not wash it off, I'll just wipe it and I'll come back in 5 minutes. So guys, 3 to 4 minutes are already over and now I'm wiping this off. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can literally see the difference. So I've changed my lipstick color so that you can easily recognize that my lips are looking a little bit bigger and fuller, that too without breaking my bank account. Yes. So guys, this was it for today. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, do share it with your friends. Drop a like and comment down below what else would you like to see me doing. And I'm a content creator. I make content on Instagram and I'm very active on Instagram, so please go and follow me there. I'll leave my handle somewhere on the screen, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself.